Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to unblock a phone number on Xiaomi Mix Flip. Firstly, go into the phone's app. Now go into contacts, tap on the contact I would like to unblock, tap on the three dots top right corner and tap on unblock, and OK. There is also another way of doing it, so I'm going to block Anna again. Now let me go back to contacts and go into recents, and while you're in recents, tap on the gear icon in the right corner and now go into block list, block numbers, and as you can see Anna is blocked here. I can also add another number. It can be either from contacts, prefix, or just a phone number, and just tap on this icon. And now to unblock somebody I just have to hold it, the phone number that I would like to unblock or the contact, and tap on delete and remove. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.